Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y91i smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Vivo Y91i. First of all, open camera on your phone and click on video option. Here, click on this icon. Here, select slow motion SLOMO. So, slow motion will be started. Now, start your video. I record this video, click on start button. While recording, the video will be like a normal video, but after playing that video, you will see the slow motion. Here I record this action and now I cut the video and open the video that I took and play the video. See there, action is very slow, so this video is in slow motion. In this way, you can easily record slow motion video in your phone Vivo Y91i. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.